Hello everyone, welcome to another video of TCS Baba. So in this video I'll be talking about the Tripura budget 2021-22. This was announced few days back, maybe 3 to 4 days back. For any civil service aspirant or any general public as a whole, the budget that is announced every year is a very important document to know what the present condition of the state, what's the present economy of the state, and also to know what the government is trying to do in next year and what's the goal, let's say 3 to 4 years down the road. So in this video, the part 1, I'll be discussing about the major announcement, the major schemes that are announced in the Tripura budget 2021-22. So let's start the video. The state budget of Tripura was presented by Deputy Chief Minister and Finance Minister Sri Jishnu Dev Verma. The total budget is of 22,724.5 crore and the allocation has increased by 118% compared to 2020-21 budget, means last year's budget. There were no new taxation that were introduced in this budget, and as mentioned by the Finance Minister, the budget deficit is to be met with better tax compliance and by austerity measures. The budget as a whole forms a very important part in mains part of TCS TPS exam also. And if you are not understanding few terms in this slide, then do let me know in the comment section if you need another video to understand what the budget is, what are the different, like what are the austerity measures, what is tax compliance, what is budget deficit, etc. I'll make another video regarding this. So in this video, in this part 1 of the video, I'll be discussing about the major initiative by state government. So the first major new initiative by Tripura government is Chief Minister's Model Village Scheme. This scheme is only for rural areas. The MLA has to identify one GP or VC, means Gram Panchayat or Village Council, for this scheme. The idea is to generate model of local development, local level development and effective local governance. And they want to trigger process of holistic development to the identified Gram Panchayat and village committee. So the idea is basically to provide all sort of amenities to one selected model village, and it's expected that the nearby village councils, village committees, the nearby gram panchayats will replicate these things in future. So this is first. Next is Chief Minister Swanirbar Parivar Yojana. The idea is to encourage people for taking up primary sector economic activities. What is primary sector? That is basically the agricultural sector is the primary sector. This is to ensure that self-sufficiency of household and holistic development of the state is achieved. Total 6 lakh rural families will be covered from 2021-22 to 23-24. And the major department who will provide the benefits are Fishery Department, ARDD, Agriculture, Horticulture, Forest Department, etc. Next, the next initiative is Chief Minister's Infrastructure Fund. So this fund is created to enhance the capital infrastructure. So any sort of big infrastructure is the capital infrastructure. I can make separate videos in economy to describe all these things. This has been created to fill the gap of infrastructure needs of the state, and total budget provision of 200 crore has been made in this fund. Next, honorarium to Pradhan Samajpati. Who is Pradhan Samajpati? Pradhan Samajpati is the community headman. See, there are many tribal groups, tribal sects like Bru, Riang, Tripuri, etc. So each and every tribal sect have their own sort of leaders, community headmen. So they will be identified, and honorarium of rupees 2000 per month will be provided to them. Next, establishment of School of Excellence is a very good scheme. A School of Excellence in collaboration with Dakshana Foundation Pune will be set up, and this will be established at Henry DeRozio Academy English Medium School at Agartala. Total 100 students will be admitted in class 12 science stream every year, and coaching for joint entrance exam for admission to engineering, medical and other courses will be provided. There will be separate hostel for boys and girls. It's proposed in SCERT complex near GB, and the book, study material, food, lodging, everything will be free. Okay, so this is a good scheme. Next, assistance for traditional musical instrument to promote tribal culture. This is a one-time financial assistance. This will be provided to tribal artists for purchase of traditional musical instruments. This is actually to promote and nurture culture and tradition, the indigenous culture and tradition. Next, National Law University. A National Law University at Agartala will be set up. This is to improve the quality of professional legal education, research and training. We have law college but not university. So this will be a central university that will be set up, and the discussion and any other formalities are already undergoing with central government. Next, new Tripura Bhavan at Kharghar, Mumbai. So write down in the comment below how many Tripura Bhavans are there in India. Okay. So a new Tripura Bhavan at Kharghar, Mumbai. This will be set up close to Tata Memorial Hospital, and people visiting Tata Memorial Hospital will get benefited from the same. Okay. Next, construction of single office building. So you have seen that, or you also know that the offices are scattered away. Okay. If you want to go to SDM office, then you want to go to agriculture office, then you want to go to, let's say, horticulture office. It's different places. So the idea is for accommodation of different state government offices in one complex. For example, in Dhalai district DM office complex, there are so many office buildings in one complex. So on the similar sort of idea, single office building will be created for accommodating different government offices. And 15th Finance Commission has recommended an amount of rupees 100 crore for this purpose. Next, establishment of PHQ building. PHQ is police headquarters. So new police headquarters building will be constructed, and rupees 20 crore has been allotted for that. Next, Mukhyamantri Pushpa Uddan Prakalpa. So Pushpa Uddan Prakalpa is actually 229 hectare of open field flower cultivation will be done. This is to increase returns from 6.2 crore. Currently rupees 6.2 crore is from flower cultivation. So the government wants to increase it to rupees 100 crore in next 3 years. So this is a very ambitious project, and 229 hectare will be used for open field flower cultivation. Next, Chief Minister's rubber mission. We know rubber is a very important plant in Tripura, important tree in Tripura. So the idea is to take up 30,000 hectare of rubber plantation in next 5 years. In next 5 years, 30,000 hectare of rubber plantation will be done. This is to ensure rapid economic development and proper utilization of land. So now these are the major achievements of the state government in this current budget 2021-22. But what are the different achievements of the state government in the past budget, and what are the different aims and goals of different departments of the state government? I will discuss it in part 2 of this video. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and write your comments below so that I can know what you liked and what you don't liked, and subscribe to this channel so that it gives a little more motivation to me also to make new videos. If you want the PDF of this video, please join the Telegram channel. It is TCS Baba. Just search in Telegram TCS Baba. There I will be sharing this PDF, and also you can interact with other students who are equally interested in giving the state service exams. Okay, meet you in the next video.